Indian Army gets Made in India drone systems to monitor LAC. One of the key additions to the firepower of the Indian Army is the new Mini Remotely Piloted Aerial System, RPAS. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh handed over indigenously developed equipment and systems to the Indian Army in New Delhi on August 16, 2022. These include Future Infantry Soldier as a System, FINSAS, New Generation Anti-Personnel Mine Nipun, Rugged and Automatic Communication System with enhanced capabilities, upgraded sight system for tanks and advanced thermal imagers. State-of-the-art high-mobility infantry protected vehicles and assault boats were virtually handed over by Raksha Mantri, enabling the troops deployed along the borders to respond to any challenge in a befitting manner. The equipment/systems have been jointly developed by Indian Army in collaboration with Defence Public Sector Undertakings, Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, and the industry. One of the key additions to the firepower of the Indian Army is the new Mini Remotely Piloted Aerial System, RPAS. PAS removes the operational limitations faced by the Indian Air Force aircraft and the Heron unmanned aerial vehicles at tactical level. It empowers the Indian Army by removing the restricted capability for surveillance, detection and reconnaissance at the infantry battalion and mechanized units level. The Indian Army will soon be operating Indian UAVs for surveillance. Mumbai-based Idea Forge has won the contract to deliver 200 Switch UAVs to the Indian Army. This is the first single vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) mini UAV defense contract globally which the company has bagged. This comes close on the heels of the announcement in the union budget that around 68% of the defense capital procurement budget has been set aside for domestic procurement. Which other companies bid for this contract? The Indian company signed this contract after facing competition from France, Ukraine, Russia and Israel and others companies from India. According to an official statement from the company, the Switch UAV was the only system that successfully completed rigorous testing and field trials conducted by the Indian Army. For last-mile deployments, earlier the understanding was that a fixed-wing UAV would be the ideal solution. However, after analyzing the actual operational constraints faced by the Indian Army, the Indian company Idea Forge worked on a hybrid vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) platform. This system, according to the company, can be hand-launched or take off without a runway, and it is the ideal solution for the Indian Army.